is Priya. You're watching the Leviosa Reader. I'm happy it's already October because I'm also one of those person who believes that all these bad things that is happening right now in 2020 is going to magically disappear when it's 31st December 2020. Today I'm here with my October TBR. Let's get this video started. Elite and 1, Book 2 and Book 3 of the Selection series. The first book in the Selection series ended with a love triangle between America singer Prince Maxon and her ex-boyfriend Aspen. So I'm really curious to know what happens in Book 2 and Book 3. For starters, this book is set in a dystopian world where the prince gets to choose his bride from 30 plus applicants who voluntarily apply for this selection. This is like a reality TV show set in a dystopian world. Tomarcus and the Betrayed Planet by Vishal Ved. This is a fantasy thriller science fiction novel where this planet Tomarcus is being forced into an apocalypse situation where the planet is getting deprived of oxygen or gas which is similar to oxygen, where the creatures of that planet needs for their absolute survival. All of a sudden the fungus kind of new organism that starts growing in the ocean and everywhere, and which consumes the huge amount of the gas like oxygen which needed for the very survival. So this is already like around 8th of October. So I have already not 8th, 8th is tomorrow. 7th of October I have already started reading this novel. So I'm curiously waiting for the story to unravel and see why is this planet Tomarcus is being put into this kind of suffering, and what does this main character Ariad does to get his planet out of this current situation. Hell on Four Paws by Gwen Bailey. This is a narrative non-fiction. Gwen Bailey is a reputed dog behaviorist in UK, but when she decides to move with her boyfriend, his boyfriend has a dog called Cecil, and this pup gives her a really tough time. When I saw two red color horns over the pup's face on the cover, I did not think twice to pick this book for me. The Night Circus by Erin Morgenstern. This fantasy novel falls under the subgenre magical realism. I received this book as a surprise book box from Caffeinated Conversations long back, and I am yet to read this, so I have decided to read this book in October. Next, by Michael Crichton. This is the last novel which was published during his lifetime. This is a satirical thriller. A leukemia patient learns that the treatment that he is undergoing is nothing but a part of a genetical experiment, and I'm really waiting to see how the story unfolds. Things Fall Apart by Chinua Achebe. This is part 1 of African trilogy. This book talks about the pre-colonial era in Nigeria and what happens when Europeans set foot on the land of Nigeria. This book was recommended by my friend the Nerdguard. Thank you Nerdguard for recommending this book for me. The last part of this video, I received this book gift from my friend Madhu, who wants me to read this book and give my review on it. So I am yet to unwrap the gift, which I am going to do now. And there is something written over it. He says, "Hey, hope you are doing good. Keep books close to you and stay indoors. Be strong and safe. Thanks, Madhu." Again, may your knowledge grow like banyan tree and share like river water to everyone who comes to you. Cheers. Whoa. Power Pranayama by Dr. Renu Mahatani MD. Discover the healing potential of your breath. Forward by Kiran Bedi PhD. Includes free DVD. Okay, this book is all about pranayama and I think how to do it. Thank you so much Madhu for this book. Thank you so much. Until I meet you guys with another video, it's bye from Priya. Bye bye.